In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly embed a PDF file on your website using custom code. This method is both efficient and effective, allowing you to seamlessly integrate important documents directly onto your site. Whether you're trying to share a detailed report, a user guide, or any other valuable content, having a PDF embedded right on your web page can enhance user experience by keeping everything in one place. First, you'll need to get the embed code for the PDF you want to showcase. Begin by opening your Google Drive and locating the PDF file you'd like to embed. Click on the file to open it. Now, you'll notice three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking these dots provides you with a menu of options. Select Open in New Window from this dropdown. This action will launch your PDF in a separate browser window. Once again, find those three dots, click on them, and this time choose Embed Item. This option will present you with an iframe code. Copy this code as it is the key to embedding your PDF on your website. Now that you have your embed code ready, it's time to switch over to the Hostinger Website Builder Editor where you plan to add this document. Navigate to your website's dashboard and easily access the editor from here. Inside the editor, you will need to add an embed code element to the specific web page where you'd like your PDF to appear. It's important to note that this feature is not available on all plans, so double check that your plan is upgraded to at least the level that offers the embed code element. This step is crucial because you need this functionality for the integration to work. With your plan confirmed and the element added, you can now paste the iframe code that you copied earlier from Google Drive into this embed code element. Simply click on the element within the editor and paste the code directly into the input field. By doing so, you are effectively embedding the PDF directly onto your web page, making it accessible to your site visitors. Finally, it's time to update your site with these new changes. Save your work by hitting the Save button, and then proceed to update or publish the page. By doing this, the embedded PDF should now appear seamlessly on your site, providing an interactive view of the document within your web page context. Visitors can now view or download the document easily, improving their overall browsing experience. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded a PDF onto your site using custom code. By following these clear, straightforward steps, you can enhance the richness of your site's content, offering your visitors a more dynamic and informative browsing experience. I hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you for watching.